How to buy Yacht token. So this token came under the symbol of YTC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just go on contracts and copy and click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under this Solana network. Open your Forza wallet for that. As you can see, click on swap. Now make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, after that you can select the provider by clicking on pricing. Click on provider. Select the Jupiter, for example. Click on apply. Now go back, make sure to read all that information here, and here you can click on swap to be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy YTC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.